Is your Hisense TV not responding to the remote or buttons? This is actually a very common issue that affects many users. The good news is that you're not alone, and this problem usually has straightforward solutions. These issues typically stem from three main causes: software glitches, power management problems, or hardware malfunctions. Before trying advanced solutions, let's start with some basic diagnostic steps that can quickly identify the problem. First, check the power indicator LED on your TV. This small light tells us if the TV is receiving power properly. Next, test different buttons on both your remote control and the TV itself. Try the power button, volume controls, and channel buttons. Finally, ensure your power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Here's what the back of your TV looks like. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected to the power input. If these basic diagnostic steps don't resolve the issue, don't worry. The next step is power cycling, which successfully resolves approximately 75% of software-related problems. In the next section, we'll walk through the complete power cycling procedure step by step. When your Hisense TV becomes unresponsive, there are three main reset procedures that can resolve most issues. We'll cover power cycling, manual reset, and factory reset methods. First, let's perform a power cycle, also called a soft reset. This clears temporary system freezes by allowing capacitors to fully discharge. Step 1. Unplug your TV from the power outlet and wait at least 60 seconds. This waiting period is crucial for complete power discharge. Step 2. While the TV is still unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures complete discharge. Step 3. Plug the TV back in and power it on. The power cycle is complete and should resolve most temporary software issues. If power cycling doesn't work, try a manual reset using the physical reset button. This is a hard reset that forces the TV to restart. Locate the reset button on your TV. It's usually a small, recessed button on the back or side panel. You may need a paperclip or similar tool to press it. With the TV powered on, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. The TV will restart automatically when the reset is complete. For smart TV software issues, you can also perform a factory reset through the menu system. This returns all settings to their original state. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings, and finally Factory Reset. This method is ideal when the TV responds to the remote but has software issues. These three reset methods, power cycling, manual reset, and factory reset, resolve approximately 90% of Hisense TV unresponsiveness issues. Try them in order from least to most invasive.